give him none of my stripers.
Yep, now you're hooked up.
Captain Art again. About the same time from last year.
It's coming in pretty easy, huh?
Oh, if
Sorry.
he's sick, you might have to throw him back.
Might.
No, he's gonna see sunlight here in a minute, and he's gonna bail. That's what's gonna happen.
Oh, what the hell is going on with this pole?
Oh, yeah, that's a keeper.
That's a keeper?
Yeah. Let's keep him. Captain Art.
That was quick.
I'm turning the boat.
Oh,
Let me know when you want me to get the net run.
I'm gonna have Pops get the net while you can film.
Here, let me get the net out now. Where you at?
Yeah, Pop, let me give you a piece. Let me give you a piece, okay?
No, I don't want I catch my own fish. Hey, what kind of guys you work with? No wonder fucking No wonder Waste Management wants to get rid of their drivers.
You know that $11 pension, is acting funny. We get brand new around here. We just gotta get him in. We all go get our little greasy for Christmas.
Well, you know, we don't have a well big enough to put this fish.
Huh?
Might have to leave him here.
No, you gonna hold it in your lap.
My lap.
Yeah, you gotta hold it in your lap.
I can't even eat sturgeon, so there you go.
I ain't gonna tell your doctor. We ain't gonna tell your wife either. Cut the film. We're gonna edit that out, all right?
Hey, don't lose him.
I'm not trying. I'm trying to keep pressure on him.
Yeah, make sure he doesn't go in that rope.
Yeah, I know.
That's what I gotta say.
Yeah. He jumped up good.
Here, record, Bob. I'll scoop him.
Am I recording him?
Yeah, you're recording.
Oh,
it's still recording. Yeah.
yeah.
Turn him around. Oh, he's all spun up on it. Yeah, get his head. Get his head. Get his head. Yeah, buddy.
Nah, I don't know what to do with this.
All right, I got it from him.
I got him coming in.
Whew, shit. That was quick, huh? What was that?
You done playing around? Can I go fishing now?
Yeah, you can go. What's up,
Nice
Toot?
fish.
Thank you, thank you. You know my nickname, right? To come back here.
The what?
To come back here.
Oh, is that?
I told you that. Didn't I tell him that?
Oh.
All right.
He catches a fish. We gotta hear all this shit.
I know.
Go ahead, Bob. Cast.
Go ahead.
All right, I'm gonna bring him out to the floor. You ready to run?
Yeah. I'll stay ready.
You want me to help you?
No, I got it.
Oh, you gotta throw him back. He's too small.
No, he's not. That's right. I'll say 58.
That's a good eight.
No, 58? Hell no.
He's nice and fat, though. He's in the 50s.
The beginning of the 50s?
Yeah.
Or 46.
Where's
I mean,
that
40
rope?
something. Huh?
Where's the rope I made you when we put through his
First, we
deal?
gotta measure him before we do anything.
Yeah.
Oh.
All right.
Toot. My cousin Toot. He from Bakersfield. He been trying to come down here and get him. I got a steak for you, Toot. You better hurry up and come get it. Because we're going to eat until there ain't no more.
Let's get the net off.
Easy, buddy. You caught. I got to watch them other poles, too.
What's that hook?
There we go.
All right.
That's on Art Custom. Hold on.
What do we get for
snapped.
doing all this for?
Where we hooked here?
This right here.
Oh, there you go.
All right. Snappy. Get your pole for.
So they run in schools, so one, there's more.
Right. Snap that. Here, hold this and I'll snap this damn thing. Trying to get this pole out the way.
You got your measuring tape, right?
Yeah. that right quick. Let me put this in the pole holder. He's still filming, though.
Yep.
And he says they call him the comeback kid.
Yeah, that's fine. I don't know if this is long enough, though. Oh, this is not long. You got a tape measure?
Yeah.
All right, get the tape measure. It's not long enough.
I don't know, where's that? Where's the tape?
He's getting it right now.
Nice clean fish.
Right. That's pretty quick, too. I put pressure on it. Because I don't play.
Yeah, not too bad on a store-bought leader.
No, that's Art's custom tied. He tied those for me, yeah. Last year, I've been
I don't like that sinker in the middle though.
Huh? That just, you know.
That's something they do now.
Here you go, Ron.
Oh,
Oh, you got the real deal.
you get the real shit here. All right, let me get out of the way. What you guys gonna do?
We hope we got to put him on that measuring tape.
Yeah. All right, scoot him over there.
Ron,
Yes.
give me the camera. Oh, go ahead,
Easy. You need a stick?
Ron. Are you taping this?
The scoots are still sharp on this one.
Yeah, here's your leader.
Oh, it came out, huh? Is this thing taping?
Yeah. Let me see. Yeah.
Put him over.
He's still kind of green.
Yeah, he's
He's
gonna
still
go
a
back
little
here in a minute.
green.
Why don't you hit him in the head? Knock his ass out.
Easy there, buddy.
Where's he at? Hold on.
He's like 52. 50, 53.
On the fork?
Oh, on the fork. 50 and a half.
50 and a half. There you go. It's keeper.
All right, hold on, let me hold him up.
Get over there.
Shit.
You know how many years it? You gotta throw him back. You know, let him get bigger. You look good. Look at that. I can't get the whole fish, but I got you.
Get a couple pictures of him.
Can I turn it like this?
Yeah.
There we go. There we got
Camera
the.
button a couple times.
Okay, we got him now. There you are. All right. As long as your
Get a
camera's.
couple pictures
How do you get pictures out of this?
on the camera, but it's not gonna.
Hit it?